So today is May 12th, and today is also my 2-year wedding anniversary. So, happy anniversary to me. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jennie here. Welcome to a brand new episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane. I have officially lost it, and this down below, say hello, here's his hand, is my son, Kyler. So, a few episodes ago, I posted the 8 ways I self-care. And a lot of moms DM'd me and they were like, hey Jennie, those things are good before Kyler wakes up and after Kyler goes to bed. But what about the things you do during the day? Because you do need to take a break from taking care of a baby for like 12 hours. And I said, yeah, I do. And really all I do just to like take a mental break is I watch YouTube videos. So I thought to myself, hey, what a great episode. Let's talk about the YouTube videos or the kinds of YouTube videos I like to watch, because I am a little bit weird and I do watch some really strange videos. So if you want to see what they are, please keep watching. Okay, well, first I want to say these videos aren't weird. These are just videos that I watch that I think are really outside my realm of what I usually watch. I mean, before Kyler, all I really watch is beauty videos. So anything outside of that is very different for me. Anyways, the first video that I watch, Kyler, your head is in the way. The first video that I watch, or types of videos that I watch, are Costco hauls. Now, back in December, I did admit that I watched Costco haul videos, but shortly after that, I stopped watching it. The reason why I started to watch it to begin with was just I wanted to see the kind of stock that they had in the American Costco versus the Canadian Costco where I live. But then the pandemic happened, and I'm just like, okay, I know everybody's going out like once a week, and they're probably doing what I'm doing. They are like stocking up to get them to the next haul. The question is, A, how much does your haul cost? And B, what do you buy to keep you and your family sustained till the next haul? So I found that quite interesting. Ender thinks I'm weird. He actually said for Mother's Day, which was 2 days ago, bless you, Kyler, bless you again. He actually said, you know what, Jennie, for Mother's Day, when all this like pandemic crap is over, my Mother's Day gift to you is that we're going to drive to the States and we will drop you off at Costco and you give me and Kyler a call when we are ready to pick you up. I don't think that's a bad idea, actually. Anyways, so I'm watching Costco hauls and I'm noticing like inventory is different. Here in Canada, the inventory here is different, while I guess certain vendors can get supplies out. I've noticed like certain brands are different, even though the content inside the brand is still the same, if that makes sense. So I like to watch that. I also want to know how much it costs, because for a family of 3, I'll be honest with you guys, for a family of 3, I did my last Costco haul 2.5 weeks ago, and I'm pretty sure my next one that will be next week is gonna cost the same amount as the last time, and I spent $400. So I expect it to be around the same. So $400 every 3 weeks. That's not bad considering I also have a baby. So I also have to buy the essentials, baby wipes, diapers, whatnot. But here's the thing, like, that I always wonder about people doing Costco hauls. Now, Costco hauls, like Costco, sorry, not Costco hauls. Costco does not have all the fresh produce you need. And there are some people who make these videos and they say, I did a Costco haul today. I don't anticipate leaving my house for the next month. And I think to myself, but fresh produce lasts like a week and a half tops. So what are you gonna do for the remainder of the 3 weeks? Like, you're just gonna eat you're just gonna eat like canned goods and whatnot. Like you're not gonna go out like midway to buy fresh produce. I don't know. I mean, I guess I go to Costco once every 3 weeks, but every week I have to go grocery shopping to buy fresh produce because we run out. So that's what I've always wondered about these Costco hauls. By the way, on a total side note, when I did like a big Costco haul, I wanted to film it. I wanted to jump the bandwagon. I wanted to film it. But I didn't because it was such a crapshoot. Like when I walked in the door, I was gone for a while because, I mean, my normal trip to Costco, which is usually about like an hour and a half, is now like 3 hours just because you have to line up. Anyways, when I came back, Kyler missed me, so he wanted to run up to me and call me insane. I don't care. I will tell you guys, when I come in with all the groceries or Costco stuff or whatever, when I come in from outside and I bring in a bag of whatever, I disinfect everything. I take a Lysol wipe and I disinfect every single bag, every single item. And because Kyler wanted to come hug me, it was just a big crapshoot because like nothing was disinfected. I hadn't even washed my hands. It was just a big crap show. Kyler eventually went to bed after I played with him, and I had left all the groceries out to film it. And then I realized I had so much groceries, so many things to disinfect that it would take longer than his nap itself. And I was like, forget it. Like, by the time I'm done all of this, filming all of this, Kyler's gonna wake up and I still won't be done. And then, yeah, no. The next types of videos I like to watch, now me being a hairstylist, I actually enjoy watching people trying to do their own hair. Now, I will link a card. I believe it'll be here when I tried to cut my own hair. You know what? I don't even want to talk about that. I will film another video because I do have to recut my hair. Anyways, I like to watch people cut or color their own hair. Because we're in a pandemic, salons aren't open. Now I'm hearing that salons are slowly opening depending on the state or the province that you live in. However, majority of salons in North America aren't open yet. So I like to see people color and cut their own hair. And I like to see the techniques that are out there, like, you know, the haircut that is trending or the hair color that's trending. And, you know, let's get real here. Yeah, I watch them, I laugh, I judge the person for doing it and for doing it wrong, because wherever they're getting their information on how to, like, the technique to cut their hair or their technique to color their hair, like, it's pretty much, like, wrong. Like, just wrong. And then I see like hairstylists who do reaction videos to these videos, and they clearly know what they're talking about, because I do agree with them when the hairstylist explains why you shouldn't color your hair this way or why you shouldn't cut your hair this way. It's just entertaining. It's just entertaining to see people mess up their own hair. And finally, the last type of videos I like to watch are cooking videos. Now, there's absolutely nothing weird about watching cooking videos. I just need meal ideas. In a nutshell, I need meal ideas. Lately, like in this moment, I have been watching a lot of how to make your own bread videos. If the camera is moving, it's because Kyler's behind the camera playing with the tripod. I don't know what he's doing. I will link a card right here about how I spent an enormous amount of money purchasing yeast and not even using it. So I'm watching bread videos to inspire me to make my own bread. And has it worked? Absolutely not. I still have that package of yeast in its packaging unopened, and it stares at me. I purposely put it where I prep all my vegetables, and I have it stare at me to tell me that I should use the yeast. And I still haven't used it because, like, I just don't bake bread. So why I bought a lot of yeast, I have no idea. And there you have it. Those are the YouTube videos I watch during the day to keep my sanity. Comment down below what your YouTube videos are, so maybe I'll watch your YouTube videos too, because let's get real here. I live in Ontario and it feels like we're not getting out of this pandemic anytime soon. So on that note, I will end this video, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie, that's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE, or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here, or if you want to catch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye!